Next up, we have some partner Speedcubing from Zion and Siddharth. Let's give them a round of applause.
With the tentative goal of under a minute, but depending on the luck of the scrambles, I could go slightly above or below. And I'm going to have W here to scramble the cubes.
Five cubes, under a minute. Can you get it? Who thinks you can get it? Alright, 1, 2, that's okay? Alright, I'm gonna scramble it.
Stop hating.
I think that's good.
Alright, so now I'm going to inspect the cubes right before I solve them for about 20 seconds. And then I'll start the timer and let you guys know.
Let's count to 20, guys. 1, 2, 3. No one's counting with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. He started. Got 1 cube down in 20 seconds. Second. "35 seconds and 3 cubes. Is that 45 and 4 cubes? So. 57 seconds and 5 cubes. Great job for that. What's next?
We're going to be solving that cube over there as a team. But there's a catch. Zion's going to be blindfolded, and I have to tell him what moves to do to solve the cube.
Let's see what time we get. I'll scramble again.
I got this. Right here. Spin right. You prime. Right here. You prime. Right here. You. Right here. Spin right. You prime. Right join. Spin right. You. Right join. Y2. Y. You prime. Or your prime. You two. Right twin. You prime. Right pair. U. F. Double trigger. F prime. U prime tank. 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 U prime. F per. No, wait. F prime. R2. FR. U2. U2. Spin left. U. R prime, U prime, R. U prime. Back right twin. U. Right pair, U2. Right pair. Y2. Right pair. F. R prime, F prime, R. F. Trigger. F prime. U. Tank. U2. J per. Z per. No.
2 minutes. That was a great job, Zion. Let's give them a round of applause.